can't have perfect weather camping every time. So I'm hunkered down in here for a little while to have some snacks, chill out, wave at my girlfriend across the way in her trailer. Hello, Jill. Possibly watch a movie. Possibly do some Lego. Or read a book. Or play with my Nintendo. Or do some more word searching. Or look out the window and enjoy the pitter-pat of the rain. Or have a drink or a snack. So there's plenty to do in here. But for now, I think I'm just going to enjoy, relax, and listen to the rumbling of Mother Nature while doing my Lego.